it's Susan here from Ochako Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the accessories for the formal Ochako cosplay from the new Boku no Hero Academia movie. To make Ochako's earrings, since I don't have pierced ears, I have some larger kind of pinkish pearls, and then I'm going to take a head pin and thread on, come on there, the larger pearl, and then for a little bit extra decor we're going to thread on a smaller pearl. That is not wanting to go on there. There we go. Now we're going to take some pliers and bend the wire to create a loop. Trim off the excess and keep twisting until the end is closed. Then we're going to take one of these clip-on earring back pieces, put the charm on there, and twist the opening closed to create the earring. Now that the earrings are done, we're going to make a matching necklace using some more of the pinkish colored pearls. We're going to thread them onto some clear elastic. Knot the end multiple times to secure it, and trim away the excess. To make Ochako's hair bow, we're going to start by cutting a rectangle out of some black satin. Then we're going to position it so that right sides are together, and fold it in half and sew it together along the top. Turn the tube right side out, then we're going to fold it in half again and sew the two edges together using a straight stitch. I'm also going to zigzag the edges just to keep them from fraying any further than they already are. Turn the material right side out, then we're going to gather down the middle of it to make it bow shape, and you don't have to worry about the stitches being really pretty because we are going to be hot gluing a fake flower right in the center of it. Lastly, sew a clip onto the back so it can be attached to the wig, and Ochako's hair bow is done. In the artwork, Ochako wears dark red heels that crisscross along the front of the foot, and then it has a part that goes around the ankle with a bow in the back. I have some dark red shoes that I've used for previous costumes. They're not completely accurate because they don't have that crisscross design in the front, but I think they're still close enough. And now we're going to make the part that goes around the ankle. So we're going to start by cutting two rectangles out of dark red satin. Then we're going to put right sides together and fold them in half and sew them together along the side to create a tube. Turn the tubes right side out and press them flat. We're also going to zigzag along the edges to keep them from fraying. Then we're going to fold the edges inward and sew them into place on each side. Then we're going to apply Velcro onto the ends so that it can create a loop around the ankle. To make the base bow, we're going to cut two rectangles out of the red satin. Then we're going to fold them in half and sew them together along the top to create a tube. Turn the fabric tube right side out. Then we're going to fold it in half and sew it together along the edge. I also added a little bit of zigzag stitching to keep it from fraying. Then we're going to turn it right side out so that it looks like this. To make the tails of the bow, we're going to cut two more rectangles that are slightly smaller. Then we're going to fold them in half and sew them together along the edge and around the corners, leaving a space open in the middle so that it can be turned right side out. Turn the tailpiece right side out, then we're going to sew the hole closed. For the knot of the bow, we're going to cut 2 more rectangles out of the red fabric, fold it in half, sew it across the top to make a tube. Turn the tube right side out and press it flat. Then we're going to roll the edges inward so that there's no raw edges showing, and sew them into place. Wrap the knot piece around the other 2 pieces to create the bow, and hand sew it into place. Then we're going to sew the bow to the ankle strap. And with that, we are all done with Ochakos formal accessories. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!